Okay, this is my 92 Z28. Having an issue with my passenger side bulb right now. I replaced it today. It functions, but let's see in a second. It's a little pulled out. Stupid foam. Alright. This is gonna be one shitty ass video. So, I need to replace the other bulb, which I'll do tomorrow, but functions. Alright. And then I'll go to do the turn signal. And that's where we have issues. So, turn signal is on. Let's check the back of the car. Yep, functioning. No. Side one's working, my side marker, but not that fucking one. So let's see if the other one works. Driver's side. And yes. Alright, so if you guys know anything, let me know. Thanks a lot.